Hey y'all, Grayson here and welcome to my channel. Well, it is a beautiful day here today. It's 76 degrees for the high. I've got a little bit of lawn work to do and I am excited about today because I cannot believe this weather for the middle of November. We will take it. It's a little breezy today, but other than that, it is blue skies and 76 degrees. Not too shabby. So the first thing that I'm going to be taking care of today is I have to mow the lawn for the first time since it was aerated and reseeded. You always want to give it plenty of time in between the time that you reseed and the time you cut, because if you mow too early, you're going to disrupt the root system of that new grass, and that's what we don't want to do. You want to make sure that you give it plenty of time and that that new grass is at least 3 inches tall. So I have that now. So I'm going to go ahead and set my lawnmower to its highest setting, and we're going to go ahead and mow it. So once we get it mowed, then I'm going to come back in with a winterizer, which is a fertilizer specifically formulated for this time of year that'll help us put this lawn to sleep, and it'll be the last time that I mow the lawn until we start up next spring. So what do you say we go ahead and get started? So this is the winterizer that I'm going to be using. This is a Scott's product. It's the Turf Builder Winter Guard Fall Lawn Food. Now this is going to build strong, deep grass roots for a better lawn next spring. So let's check out the back of the bag. Scott's has made it really easy for homeowners to use their products. So step one is to fill and set your spreader. Now you can either have a broadcast rotary spreader, which I have, or you can have the Scott's drop spreader, and that will tell you exactly. So this one says to set your rotary spreader at 2 3/4. That's exactly what we're going to do. And then we're going to apply it. It tells you everything for even application. Walk at a steady pace and slightly overlapping each pass. Okay. And then everything that you need to know. So let's go ahead and get this on the ground. This is what the product looks like. Looks like sand. So let's go ahead and get this down. It's hard to believe that just 7, 8 weeks ago that this lawn was brown and dusty and dry as a bone, and now it is nice, lush, and green with just a few simple steps. And compared to my neighbor's lawn across the street, and I just want you to be able to see the difference. Even in the middle of November, you can still have green grass. As you can see, the sun just illuminates it beautifully. I'm extremely happy with the results here. It just takes a little bit of work. It takes putting the right product down at the right time. And that's all there is to it. So we have our Winterizer fertilizer down, which is going to promote healthy, strong roots for next spring. And we should be good to go next spring. We should have a beautiful, healthy, greener lawn than we already have now. Remember, we had the big Bradford pear tree taken out last year, and that has grown in nicely there. Just a slow pan across, again, in comparison to my neighbor across the street. You know, the lawn is just like any other plant. It needs to be fed. This is a cool season grass, so it really begins to thrive in these types of conditions. 76 degrees today and just beautiful blue skies. And that's gonna do it for today, y'all. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. It feels really good to get the lawn winterized. This is the last step for this year, and then we will pick back up with it in the spring. So thank you so much for watching Gardening with Grayson. I'll see you next time.